1. No cold air, likely one of these. Faulty control board, screen blank, unresponsive buttons. Refrigerant leak, hissing noise may occur. Never bend copper tubes. Faulty compressor, touch the unit bottom, no vibration. Solution: contact the staff for repair or replacement. 2. Alarm codes and reasons. E1. Temp sensor fault. HH. High temperature warning LL. Low temperature warning. Communication error. An alarm activates with E1 or L codes. The unit will run in cyclic cooling mode. 20 minutes on, 40 minutes off, repeating until the fault is fixed. 3. Lights out? Try this first. Solution: 1. Is the unit properly plugged in? Test with another power outlet. 2. Flashlight inspection. Dark spots on the light panel,